Dead on your feet. Understanding idiomatic expressions in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting English idiom, dead on your feet. This phrase might sound strange at first, but it's actually used quite commonly in everyday English. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. The phrase, dead on your feet, is an idiom used to describe someone who is extremely tired or exhausted, but still standing or continuing with their activities. Despite its dramatic wording, it doesn't mean anything serious or literal. It's a way to express that someone is so tired that they feel as if they could fall asleep standing up. This idiom is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. The phrase combines the word, dead, often used in English to describe something extreme, with the image of someone standing on their feet. It conveys the idea of being tired to the point of being unable to continue, yet still physically upright. 1. In everyday conversation, you might say, I was dead on my feet after that 12-hour shift at work, to express extreme tiredness. 2. In professional contexts, this idiom can also be used in professional settings in a casual manner. For example, after the 3 back-to-back meetings, the whole team was dead on their feet. 3. Cultural note. While it's a common phrase in English-speaking countries, it's important to remember that idioms don't always translate well into other languages or cultures. So, use it with understanding of your audience. By the time I finished my marathon, I was dead on my feet. She's been working double shifts all week and is dead on her feet. After the long journey, the travelers were dead on their feet but happy to have arrived. Thank you for watching. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, dead on your feet, confidently in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more natural and fluent in English. See you in our next video, and keep practicing.